Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Rated V where I excite you about plant-based food, and today I'm going to be doing a product review and taste test of a new product line called Shroomeats. It's a shiitake mushroom-based vegan meat line, and I'm going to prepare it in a couple different ways and also tell you guys more about it, so let's go. First, I'm going to start with the burger patty. I'm going to season with vegan butter, soy sauce, and Worcestershire sauce. As you can see, it's a good size. Cook for 6 to 8 minutes until a nice golden char. Next, heat up the buns and add some cheese to melt a bit, and then just put it all together. Next, I'm going to cook the shroom balls to make classic spaghetti and meatballs. Just season as you like, cook until crispy on each side, make a pasta as normal. Add sauce to toss the shroom balls in the sauce, and then prepare to serve. Lastly, for the shredded meat, I'm going to make Mediterranean kofta. You add onion, garlic, and pulse until fine. Add shredded meat, parsley, spices, some soaked bread, and just pulse it until it looks like ground meat. Then form the kofta balls. Cook until crispy on each side. Garnish with tahini sauce, parsley, and of course, serve with some hummus. Okay, so now it's finally my favorite part, the taste test after making this gigantic feast. I'm gonna start with the burger because, I mean, it's the classic, so why not? That's pretty good, you guys. In terms of juiciness and meatiness, it has that. It just doesn't have the same texture as the traditional burger. But that to me is okay. I really enjoy that. I love mushrooms, so of course I would like this. What I really like about Shroomeats is that it's low in calorie, low in fat. The ingredients are minimal. I know exactly what's going into the burger. I know what they all mean and everything. It's really good. I would eat this again. Like, I like the burger. Okay, now I'm gonna try the spaghetti and meatballs. I'm actually very excited about this. That's the beauty of some of these veggie meats sometimes, that you just wanna add on to a quick meal. Like this spaghetti and meatballs is super easy, super fast. You can make it in like 15 minutes probably. Absolutely love it. The beauty of this mushroom meat is that it's pretty neutral in flavor, so you can kind of season it any way you want. You can do something simple like I did, or you can do something more extravagant, or you can even serve the meatballs as like cocktail appetizers with like a sriracha apricot jam or something. That'd be really good, by the way. All right, let's try the spaghetti and meatballs. Angel hair pasta and vegan shiitake mushroom meatballs. Yeah, winner! You'll notice the texture is a little different because it's a little tougher to cut, which I'm okay with personally, so it's up to you. If you're wondering where to buy this product, you can actually get it at GTFO, it's vegan. That stands for get the fuck out, it's vegan. It's a great site. It's an online store and you can buy a bunch of different vegan items too. So I'll leave a link below where you guys can buy this. You know, sometimes I'm happy that I'm starving when I make these videos because then when the food is out, I just like feast. It's great. Okay, I saved the best for last because I freaking love Mediterranean kofta and I love hummus. I could live off this stuff. So the Mediterranean kofta would be a great recipe for like a party, appetizer, just a family dinner to make your own meze. Gonna try it with this hummus. I mean, honestly, can you go wrong with eating anything with hummus? Honestly, you guys need to try that seasoning. It works really well with this meat. I think the only downfall that is actually my fault, because shiitake mushroom isn't high in fat, it doesn't hold as much. It does fall apart a little bit. So I mean, next time I know I'll add a little oil or something to bind it a little more. But I mean, flavor-wise, like this is so good. Again, I love that it's low calorie and more natural. I would happily use this product over other veggie meats because I want to use something that's less processed. Overall, I recommend this product. I would buy it again. In terms of flavor, I think it's really good. It has a good neutral flavor. You can season it any way you want. So that means it's so versatile for a bunch of different dishes. I really actually like that it's made with shiitake mushrooms because A, there's good health compounds to it. It has a lot of vitamins and minerals that help fight cancer and all of that. So that to me is important. I highly recommend you guys check this out and let me know what you guys think. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe and share and let anybody know who would want to try this out. If you want to see some of my other product review videos, you can check it out up here at the link above. So hope you guys like this video. Bye!